This is Aylesbury Common. It's a beautiful wildlife haven and it's home to some of the most rare species of plants and animals in the country, including the Dartford warbler and the nightjar. It's highly protected under EU legislation, along with the ex-estuary and Woodbury Common. Those protections are all at risk as we go through the Brexit process. The latest State of Nature report reveals that the UK is one of the most nature-depleted countries in the entire world, with 1 in 7 species facing extinction and more than half in decline. This government has an appalling record on the environment. But if I was East Devon's MP, I would be fighting tooth and nail to protect nature and our beautiful environment here in East Devon.